Ever seen a bug with a scorpion's tail? Yeah, that's a scorpionfly for you. Scorpionflies have a tail that looks like a scorpion's stinger. But don't worry, it's harmless. These fascinating creatures use their tails for mating, not stinging. They love to snack on dead insects and sometimes even steal prey from spider webs. Talk about being sneaky. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Scorpionflies have been around for over 100 million years. They even outlived the dinosaurs. So next time you spot one, give a nod to this tiny survivor. Want more cool animal facts? Smash that subscribe button, like, share, and comment below. Subscribing is free and an easy way to support the channel. Thanks for watching and stay curious, animal lovers. You rock.